Do you find Facebook's camera roll suggestions annoying or intrusive? These suggestions often pop up when you upload a photo or video, and they can clutter your feed with memories Facebook thinks you might want to share. In this video, I'll show you how to turn them off easily. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on your photo with 3 horizontal lines icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on gear icon here. Scroll down to find option labeled Camera Roll Sharing Suggestions. Tap on it. Get camera roll suggestions when your browsing Facebook option is enabled. This means that you will see photos and videos from your camera roll as a sharing suggestions. Disable this option. Once this option is disabled, Facebook will no longer suggest photos or videos from your camera roll. This will help you maintain more control over the content Facebook suggests and keeps your feed focused on what you actually want to share. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.